Hi everyone! Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with my first ever tablescape, you guys. OMG! And it's gonna be a fall tablescape. Yeah! It's my first time doing one. I'm so nervous. Honest to God, I'm so nervous. It's easier to do a DIY than to do a tablescape. For me. OMG! I am so nervous. Anyways, I put it together and I have some lovely napkin holders. I have some lovely napkin rings from Totally Dazzled that I'm going to share with you guys. Some fall napkin rings for your table. For your table settings, you know it's the fall now. Thanksgiving coming up. Our Thanksgiving is already passed here in Canada, which was October 8th, I think it was, last weekend. Yeah, so but the American Thanksgiving hasn't come about yet. So it would be great for your tablescape, you know. So I'm going to share that with you on my tablescape today. Alright everyone, here is my fall tablescape, and I'm just going to share with you an overall view of everything that I did. Alright, here are my crushed glass chargers. I DIY'd these. And then I have these plates from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And then I have the soup bowl, also from the Dollar Tree. And here we have our lovely napkins and our napkin rings, which are from Totally Dazzled, the napkin rings. The lovely fall leaves. And here they all are, all placed together. I think they look very nice. And I also got the silver plate mats from the Dollar Tree also. And here's our fall napkin rings again. Don't they look nice, you guys? All blingy and nice in the rose gold. And over here I have these lovely crystal wine glasses. And we have our cutlery, which is in silver. I have this set from a while back that I was gifted from my aunt, and I still have them. And the lovely wine glasses were gifted from my aunt also. And then we have our coaster, which is the glass mirror from the Dollar Tree. And I just love the crushed glass charger. And over here we have our pumpkin that I just put on a little candle holder. And we have our gems from Totally Dazzled that I just spread out along the runner on the table, which the runner I got from Dollarama. And we have our fall centerpiece here, you guys. And I placed our blinged out gems inside on this container. On this vase that I had done a while back. That was another DIY. You know, my fall box is also a DIY. And here's some more setting. I just love the napkin ring, you guys. They look so nice. And over here I have another DIY pumpkin. Well, two more DIY pumpkins that I did using stuff from the Dollar Tree. And the table setting is for 4, as you can see. I just love our blinked out fall box. Makes a lovely centerpiece for the table. And it's a big statement piece, so I didn't have to put very much going around because it says a whole lot. And I love it. My very first fall tablescape. My very first tablescape all together. Like I mentioned before, the gems just added on the runner. Gives it a nice look also, with the touch of rose gold that I added in with the silver and the black. And a bit of white in the plates too. I'm going to leave a link below to Totally Dazzled, where you guys can go over there and check out her lovely fall napkin ring. The leaves that she have, aren't they so cute and blingy? Absolutely beautiful. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description box for you guys. Alright, so that was my tablescape. What do you guys think? You know, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of my tablescape. Oh my gosh, I did it. I was nervous. Yeah, like you know, I'm not your traditional girl, so I don't follow the traditional fall colors. But I think I did good. I'm still nervous. I'm still nervous. OMG. So like I said, tell me what you think about it. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about my fall tablescape. And guess what, you guys? I have some of these napkin rings for you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna have, here they are in the packages. I have 3 sets of these napkins to give away. Yeah, I'm gonna have a giveaway. Giving away these lovely fall leaves napkin rings holders. Yeah, and I have them in the rose gold. And over at Totally Dazzled, she has them in rose gold, she has them in silver, and she has them in gold. Yeah, but I liked the rose gold, so I chose to show you guys the rose gold ones. Yeah, and like I said, I'm gonna have a giveaway. I have 3 sets, so that's 3 winners. And all you have to do to enter my giveaway is tell me what you like about fall. Yeah, tell me something that you like about fall, whether it's the leaves or doing the fall decorations throughout your home or doing a fall tablescape. Yeah, if you do tablescapes, let me know. Yeah, just tell me what you like about fall and then you can enter this giveaway. And what I'm going to do is have the giveaway run from today until October the 21st. I'll announce the winner October the 22nd. Yeah. And remember, there's 3 winners. And you have to be a subscriber to my channel. You have to like this video. And gives me a thumbs up. Well, the thumbs up is the like. You have to like this video with the thumbs up. And be one of my subscribers. And then you'll be entered into the giveaway. And aren't they lovely, you guys? OMG. One more look. They are absolutely lovely and all blinked out. Very nice, eh? Yeah. So there'll be 3 winners. Alright, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my first ever tablescape. I don't know if I'll do any more. Maybe, maybe not. I don't promise. Because I was just a bag of nerves putting this tablescape together. Yeah, but tell me what you think about it. Alright everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.
Baby, watch your man out here.